get this question all the time. How much am I going to make and when am I going to get paid? Well, the answer is a little bit more complicated than that because it all depends on your injuries. It depends on the other person's insurance company, and it depends on what you had to do in order to get treatment. For example, if you had a soft tissue injury, meaning just bulging disc or something that you can't really find, the reimbursement is going to be much lower. If you had a more substantial catastrophic injury, clearly the reimbursement is going to be much higher. With that being said, if the other person doesn't have the policy, whenever you buy insurance, there's different policy limits, there's different amounts, whatever you decide to purchase. Some people might have a $10,000 policy, some people might have a $100,000 policy or greater. So it all depends on the policy. They might have a $10,000 policy and your injuries may be catastrophic or serious, and yet we can only cap it out at $10,000. So what happens if it goes over $10,000? At that point, the person is personally liable for the difference. However, if you're trying to go after somebody personally and they have a $10,000 policy, a lower policy, it may be very difficult to collect. Even though the judgment might go into place, it'll be very difficult to actually collect the money from that client. So if you were involved in an auto accident, again, it's the policy, it's the amount of damages, and then they look at property damage. If the property damage is too low, let's say it's a quick fender bender, a $600 property repair, then they're going to say that it's a low impact accident. Not that those can't be profitable for you, but it all depends, again, back on the injuries. So the amount of money, if an attorney ever tells you that they can give you so much money, you should fire them, because the amount of money can never be determined in advance. Even towards the end, it can't be determined until you finally can negotiate all the with the insurance company, with the person that hits you's insurance company.